So over here, you can see that I have different tasks right here, and they are assigned with different resources. And sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to assign out overtime work for different resources as well. And if you want to do that, what you can do is you can go around onto the View tab. And once you go around onto the View tab, you can click on Task Uses. Once you do that, over here you can see that there's the brainstorming concept and everything else right here. And you can see that script writer is assigned to those as well. So over here you can see that these are the actual work hours right here. For example, there are 6 hours of work assigned to the script writer. So what you can do over here is you can go around and add in a column to assign overtime work for them. So I can go around over here and type in overtime, and once I go around and type in overtime, you can see that overtime work is an option. And if I were to enable that out, then you can see that this is the overtime work hours that are assigned. And right now you can see that it says 0 hours. So for the particular resource right here, you need to go around onto the resource column. Then you can go around onto the overtime work. And then let's say, for example, type in 4, meaning that 4 hours overtime is here. Once you add that in, now you can see that there's 4 hours of overtime for the brainstorming concept. Then after that, you can see that this is what you have. You got the scriptwriter, travel, and first aid right here. So you can go around and assign overtime work wherever required. Let's say for storyboard artist, I'm going to add in an overtime work for around 8 hours right here. And depending on what you need, you can go around and assign overtime work separately, just like that. And that is how you can add in overtime work separately inside of Microsoft Project for different resources. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.